1 of the story, Sam and Dad. To begin, we're going to review what we know about CVC words and then read some CVC words that are going to be in our story. CVC words are words with 3 letters, a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant. The CVC words use the short vowel sounds that we know below. Ready? Let's say our sounds. A, apple. E, egg. I, iguana. O, octopus. And U, umbrella. When you get to a B or D in a CVC word, remember to use your strategies to figure out which letter is B and which letter is D. Let's take a look back at our CVC words that are going to be in the story. We're going to be sounding out these words. The first word in the story is this word. Ready? Say the sounds out loud with me. S, a, Sam. Let's keep going. S, a, d, sad. G, a, b, gab. D, a, d, dad. Nice work saying the CVC words with me. Let's keep going. This word, ready, here we go. G, a, t, got. L, a, b, lab. K, a, n, can. H, a, d, had. Are you saying the sounds along with me? Keep it up. There's our last row. Ready? Here we go. D, d, did. Ought, not. Here's a special word that has 4 sounds. Say them all with me. G, l, ad, glad. And here, our last word is a special word that has 2 S's at the end. They're going to say s, is, miss. Great job saying your CVC words from the story with me. Now let's practice reading some CVC words that we are going to try to be fluent with. That means we're going to try to say them quickly and accurately. All right, as I point, say the sounds and then blend. S, a, b, sob. Say it with me. T, a, b, tub. D, a, d, dud. G, a, t, gut. R, ot, rot. Awesome job. How did you do with the B's and D's? All right, next row. Ready? Here we go. P, in, pin. L, ad, lad. H, n, hen. Y, ack, yak. W, ig, wig. Great work, friends. Last row. Y, et, yet. J, ab, jab. App, nap. K, cub. And last word, b, I, d, bed. Did you remember to use your B and D strategies, whatever those are? Nice job. Now that we've practiced our CVC words that are in the story and our CVC fluency, we are now going to do our sight words. Sight words are words we need to know quickly, and many of them have hearts underneath them because parts of the word do not make the sound we usually make. Here's an example. This is the word was. The A says and the S says z. Just like in the word is, sometimes S says z at the end, like in was. This is the word wanted. Say wanted. Wanted can be sounded out except for the A that says wanted. Say the word said. Said has 2 vowels in the middle that make the sound like an E. Said. His. Say his. Do you notice what sound the S makes? Just like in was, his has a Z sound at the end. The S makes a Z sound. Say two. The double O's make an oo sound. Two. Say when. The WH makes a W sound. The H is kind of silent. W, when. Say went. This is a word we can sound out. W-e-n-t, went. Say that. That has a TH. The TH says the, that. All right, now we're going to play the game Beat the Teacher. You are going to get out your highlighter or crayon or marker, whatever you are using, and you are going to say the word. You're going to listen for me to say the word, and if you had said it correctly, just like I said it, you get to highlight the word. Ready? Start at the top, say the word. Was. Highlight one line across if you said was. Ready? Next word. Wanted. Keep saying the word and highlighting as we go. Next word. Say it. Said. Say the word. His. Say the word. To. Say the word. When. Say the word. Went. Say the word. That. Count up how many words you have highlighted in this row and write the score here. Now let's get ready to play again. See if you can get more words correctly this time. Ready? Say the word. Was. Say the word. Wanted. Say the word. Said. Say the word. His. Say the word. To. Say the word. When. Say the word. Went. And say the last word. That. Count up how many words you've highlighted in this column and write that number here. All right, it's our final time saying our sight words. Let's see if you can get more correctly this time than the previous two times. Ready? Say the word. Was. Say the word. Wanted. Say the word. Said. Say the word. His. Say the word. To. Say the word. When. Say the word. Went. And say the last word. That. Count up how many words you've highlighted and write that number below. Did you improve each time? Great work. Now, cap your highlighter or put away your marker or pencil, whatever you are using, and we are going to play detective in our story. You get to be a detective, and you are going to look for our sight words in the story as I read it. Our story again is called Sam and Dad. On the first page, there are two sight words. Look for them as I read. Sam was sad. Sam wanted to gab with Dad. Gab is another word for talk. What two sight words did you see from our list here? Say them out loud. Did you see was and wanted? Awesome. There's three sight words on this next page. See if you can find them. Dad had to go to his lab. Sam did not like it when Dad went to the lab. The lab is like a science lab where he is doing some experiments. What three sight words did you see here? Say the words out loud. Did you say his, when, and went? Awesome. There are two sight words on this page. Sam was sad that Dad had to go. I miss you when you are at the lab, said Sam. Say the two sight words you found on this page. Did you say when and said? Our next page has two sight words as well. Sam said, "Can I go to the lab too?" What two sight words do you see? Did you say said and to? Awesome. There's one sight word on the next page. Sam, you can go with me to the lab, said Dad. Say the sight word you see on this page. Did you say said? Awesome. Last page. Sam was glad he got to go to the lab with Dad. Say the sight word on this page. Did you say was? Great work. Now we're going to choral read, which means read together our story. So read out loud with me as I point along. Ready? Here we go. Sam and Dad. Keep saying the words out loud with me. Sam was sad. Sam wanted to gab with Dad. Remember, gab means to talk. Keep saying the words with me. Dad had to go to his lab. Sam did not like it when Dad went to the lab. Sam was sad that Dad had to go. I miss you when you are at the lab, said Sam. Sam said, "Can I go to the lab too?" Sam, you can go with me to the lab, said Dad. Sam was glad he got to go to the lab with Dad. Did you read all of those words out loud with me? Awesome work. The last thing we'll do is a duet read. I'll say the words in white and you'll say the words in yellow. Okay, so for this example, I would say Sam, you would say and I would say Dad. Ready? Here we go. Sam, Dad. Keep saying all the words out loud that are in yellow. Sam, sad. Wanted, gab, Dad. Dad, to, lab. Did, like, when, went, the. Sam, sad. Dad, to. I, you, at, lab. Sam, Sam can go the to. Sam can with to lab. Dad. Sam glad got go the with. Great work, friends, on Sam and Dad.